Good evening, I am Jermaine Brown and welcome to Saturday Sports Special. Let's get right into the meat of the matter, shall we? 14-time champion trainer Filifiani saddled his second Mouttet Mile winner, the all-women-owned Rideallday, with US-based Hall of Fame jockey Javier Castellano in the saddle for a purse of US $300,000 or 45 million Jamaican dollars at Caymanas Park on Saturday. Denise Walters was at the track and filed this report.
It was last year's runner-up Legacy Isle with Ishmael Yaramia back in the saddle that set most of the fractions before Port Royal sprint champion 5-2 chance Rideallday with the impressive Javier Castellano in the saddle stole the show.
Pack Place continues to pursue over against the rail. Here is Rideallday now kicking in, but Legacy Isle drifting off a true line but still holding that lead. Rideallday is there. In behind them, Pack Place. They race past the furlong pole. Legacy Isle and Rideallday in a battle, and Rideallday now snatches the lead inside the final 16th. It is Rideallday and Javier Castellano making short work of the field. They win by almost double digits. Legacy Isle and Funcan Duncombe next. Could be Supernatural Power out wide of Digital One.
The 3-year-old Grey Roan colt with the splits of 32 and 1, 45 flat, 1 minute 10 flat, won in a very good final time of 1 minute 36 and 4 by an impressive 9 lengths.
I think it's meant to be. I have a lot of offers the last couple of years. They invite me to come to Jamaica. First time here, beautiful track. I love the way the fan, the atmosphere, the people, a lot of passion for the races. I'm very excited to be here. What a celebration to win the big race. So excited for the horse. Everything worked out beautiful.
I think he got a great ride, can't complain. I mean, winning is always the greatest thing. When you win, you're the best.
Meanwhile, 9-5 shot of a Revolution landed the Bruce on the Loose Sprint Trophy, going over 6.5 furlongs for a purse of $15 million.
As they have turned for home, Desert of Malibu and Of a Revolution matching strides, and Of a Revolution looks to have the head in front. Desert of Malibu not finished, she's fighting back, but Of a Revolution continues to just hold a slim lead. Desert of Malibu is there, Mighty Golly trying to close up. It is Of a Revolution now driven out and beginning to get the upper hand. Of a Revolution and Radish Roman, he'll have his second win. They take it from Money Market. Desert of Malibu, California Crown and Supremacy in a photo in behind.
The imported debutant, one of 2 winners for jockey Radish Roman and trainer Anthony Nunes, won in 1 minute 19 and 4 by 2 1/4 lengths.
He did not get to prepare as I would like to get prepared, but he come out today and get the job done, and he's a very nice and willing horse.
Yeah, I mean, the time seems slow, but you could tell he was getting tired in the last half a furlong. I mean, he had only raced twice this year in America, and we only had him here in October. We didn't have time to give him a prep race, so although he worked really well, I think he used his back class to get him home.
In the meantime, 2022 2,000 guineas and St. Ledger winner Blue Vinyl at odds of 4-1 won the Chairman's Plate going over the Circular 9 course for a purse of $6 million. Conditioned by Gary Sabrati and ridden by Roman, Blue Vinyl won by 4 lengths in 1 minute 57 and 2. Jockey Dane Nelson rode a double while 3-time champion trainer Jason DaCosta saddled the 2 winners.
Extremely pleased, you have to do the whole. You have to look at the whole, and we decided that it probably wasn't right for us to have a big, lavish infield, and we were also severely hurt, $200 million, so we had to go back to the basics. And I mean, when you have a environment like Caymanas Park, it's easy to go back to the basics because you have the best fans ever.
Racing continues on Saturday. I am Denise Walters reporting from Caymanas Park for TVJ Sports.